Friends are who helps us in any work in our life and every field of life, every field of our life, and in our bad times also, friends helps us, and they disturb also us very much. And in our life, we make many friends, and we lost also many friends in our life. In childhood, we make many friends, and when we grow up, then we lost our childhood friends, and we make another friends. But we don't forget about our childhood friends. Many people say that we should not make like that friends that they are.
Good morning, all of you, respected sir. Today I am here for a speech. My speech is disaster. Disaster are two types, natural and human-made. There are many types of disaster like earthquake, tsunami, flood, etc. There are four types of earthquake like tectonic earthquake, volcanic earthquake, collapse earthquake, and explosion earthquake. Tectonic earthquake, when the plates are collide with each other, is known as tectonic earthquake. Collapse earthquake. Collapse earthquake are earthquake which are very small earthquake under the ground. Volcanic earthquake. Volcanic earthquake are earthquake which are very which the molten magma comes out and the earth, and when it's cooled down after our fourth or fifth generation, when it's cooled, it gives us minerals, fossil fuels, etc. Explosion earthquake. The explosion earthquake are earthquake which are explosion earthquake are earthquake which
Everyone, good morning. You are not present here. Today I am Shah Kushari going to deliver a short speech on natural disaster. As we all know that natural disaster is very harmful to us. There are many types of natural disaster that can harm to our environment and our society also. The natural disasters are landslides, earthquake, volcanoes, and etc. Earthquake is the shaking or vibration of the earth. Earthquake range in sizes are some earthquakes are so weak that they can't and they unnoticed, but some are so strong that they can even destroy the whole city. Flood are
Morning, all of you. I'm here to tell you about Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose is an Indian figure in India, in Indian history. He contributed to the freedom struggle, made him a brave hero of India. He left his house and comfort with determination to liberate motherland. Subhash Chandra Bose believed that an armed rebellion was independent from British rule. Subhash qualified ICS examination with brilliant record.
Good morning to all respected sir. Today my topic is coronavirus. Stay home, stay safe. Coronavirus is also known as COVID-19. It is very dangerous disease. It's come from China and it's come from China. It spreads slowly all over country. At first, the disease was very harmful. People can die, and the virus spread one person to another person with the help of hands, eyes, nose, etc. Healthcare safe for COVID-19, and use mask, sanitize, improve your immunity system, take hot things, hot water, giloi kada, tulsi leaf, dalchini leaf, etc. When your immunity system is strong, virus not touch for you.
psychology, anatomy and physiology, and there are 7 subjects of this. And if firstly I would like to tell you about the full form of nurse. Nurse, N stand for knowledge, U stand for understanding, R stand for responsibility, S stand for sympathy, and E stand for empathy. The qualities of nurse are: the nurse should be honest, loyal. The nurse should be honest towards his patient. The nurse first duty is to take care of the patient, the ward members, etc. The nurse should be very caring. He or she should have a good communication skills. And after doing nursing, you have many scopes in nursing. Like you can go for a staff nurse. You can study. You can do as a in college. You can teach the student as a professor, assistant professor, and after BSc nursing, you can also go for MSc nursing and masters. That's all.
Good morning to all of you. I am respected sir. Today I would like to briefly on the topic unemployment. Unemployment is the biggest problem in our country. There are no sources of earning money because of the
Good morning to all respected sir. Today I am here to give a short speech on the natural disaster. What is natural disaster in Scotland? Natural disaster is an event that is caused by the natural forces of the earth. It is when the natural disaster comes in the highly populated area, it can destroy their homes. We can take the example of Italy in 2016. There were 2,000 people were died because of the earthquake. What is earthquake and its causes? Earthquakes occur suddenly. We all know that the earthquakes occur suddenly. Earthquakes happen because the earth crust
Dreams are not that you see in your sleep. Dreams are not that you see in your sleeps. Dreams are something that does not let you sleep. A very warm good morning to all of you present here. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic my ideal, my inspiration, my teacher, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Awal Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam, who was a well-known person to everyone, who was born in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu on 15 October 1931. He studied physics and aerospace engineering and became an aerospace scientist. He was also a politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was also involved mainly in DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, and ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. He was also involved in the military missile development programs, and from where he thus came to know as the Missile Man of India. He was awarded by some honorary awards, that is Bharat Bhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Bharat Ratna. Talking about Kalam sir, it was not that we can define him in just a small speech, because it needs a very long time to define Abdul Kalam sir. But today from my diary, I came here with a short poem which can define the whole journey of Kalam sir, starting from where he born, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He was a boy named Abdul Kalam who was lived in a middle class family, who has a lot of dreams in his life, step towards success. So from there he started doing another thing, and one day that newspaper boy became the headline of the news. And from there he started his journey of becoming the president, becoming the missile man, or becoming a very good person. When we talk about Kalam sir, every student is very inspired by Kalam sir. It's not that he is a person who do his work and now just extinct. Never. In our hearts, in our lives, He is always alive. Today, when I am here, I got an opportunity to speak something about him. So I'm here to tell you that I am really inspired by Kalam sir, which I always started in this speech. That is, dreams are not what you see in your sleep. When you are sleeping, you are just dreaming, you are just fantasizing the another world in which you want to live. But the dreams are those that does not let you sleep. Because when you do hard work, when you know the reality that this is going to happen in my life and I have to do this, then only you can achieve it. Thank you so much.
Third place goes to Manisha. Clap for her. Second place goes to Asta. Clap for her. Remaining first place goes to Sapna. Please clap for her.